Family and Medical Leave Act, or FMLA, provides crucial job protection for millions of workers in Florida and across the United States. But how exactly do you apply for FMLA in Florida? And what are your rights under this important law? FMLA is a federal law that allows eligible employees to take up to 12 weeks of unpaid job-protected leave per year for specific family and medical reasons. In Florida, this includes time off for the birth or adoption of a child, caring for a family member with a serious health condition, or addressing your own serious health issues. To be eligible for FMLA in Florida, you must meet 3 key requirements. First, you need to work for a covered employer, which includes private companies with 50 or more employees, public agencies, or schools. Second, you must have worked for your employer for at least 12 months and have logged at least 1,250 hours of service in the past year. Finally, you must work at a location where your employer has at least 50 employees within 75 miles. The benefits of FMLA are significant. It provides job security, ensuring that you can return to your original position or an equivalent one after your leave. Your health insurance continues under the same terms as if you were still working. Perhaps most importantly, FMLA allows you to address critical family or medical issues without risking your employment. So, how do you apply for FMLA in Florida? The process involves several steps. First, confirm your eligibility based on the criteria mentioned earlier. Next, notify your employer about your need for leave. For foreseeable leave, you should provide at least 30 days' notice. In emergencies, give as much notice as possible. You'll need to submit required forms, including certification from a healthcare provider. Your employer should provide these forms, or you can find them online. The specific form depends on your situation, such as whether the leave is for your own health condition or to care for a family member. After submitting your request, your employer must respond within 5 business days. They may require additional documentation for approval. Throughout your leave, maintain communication with your employer about your leave duration and any changes to your situation. It's important to understand your legal rights under FMLA. Employers are prohibited from interfering with your FMLA rights or retaliating against you for using FMLA leave. If you believe your rights have been violated, you can file a complaint with the U.S. Department of Labor or pursue legal action. Remedies may include compensation for lost wages, denied benefits, and other damages. Florida also has state-specific laws that complement FMLA. For instance, Florida's domestic violence leave law provides eligible employees with up to 3 days of leave per year to address issues related to domestic or sexual violence. This applies to employees or their family members who are victims of such violence. In summary, FMLA provides vital protections for Florida workers needing time off for family or medical reasons. By understanding the eligibility requirements, application process, and your rights under the law, you can effectively utilize this important benefit when you need it most. Remember to communicate clearly with your employer, provide necessary documentation, and stay informed about both federal and state leave laws to ensure you receive the full protections you're entitled to under FMLA in Florida.